Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Sheena Jones. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for OOR. So once you click on the referral link of the person that has invited you, what you're going to simply do, ladies and gentlemen, is you're going to click here on these three lines on the top right. So once you click that, once you click that, it's going to bring you to this drop down here that you see, and you're going to click right here where it has join now. Okay, once you click that, you're going to see your sponsor's name. If you're signing up with me, it will say Sheena Jones. Then you're going to simply scroll down and you're going to fill in your information here. Put your real first name, your real last name, the country that you're in, your email address, phone number, put in a username and password, confirm the password, and then check here that says, are you a robot? You're going to click there that says, I'm not a robot. Then you're going to register. I'm going to fill mine out, so I'm going to be right back with you. Okay, so then after you put in your info, you're going to click here on register. Okay. We're going to scroll down and it has the person's name. Thank you for registering. Message has been sent to your email box. And then the link inside the email, click it. So we're going to have to go to our email now, you guys. Let's get out of here. Let's go to our email real quick. Okay. We're going to go to our email. All right, let's go to this one. Okay, and here is the confirmation email. This is what it's going to look like. Confirmation email. You need to click it, and you have to click here. It says, thank you for creating your account on OOR in motion. To activate your account, please go here. You have to click this. We're going to click it. Okay, it's going to say this, you guys. Your email address has been invalidated now. Okay, now we're going to log in. Click right here where it has login now. Okay, we are currently logged in. Wait 1 second, y'all. Let me log out of mine. Okay. Hold on 1 second, y'all. Okay. Now we're going to click here. It says login. Oops. All right, and scroll down. 1 moment, I'm going to put in my info. Okay, now we're going to click on access your account because we have logged in. We don't need to save anything. Okay, you guys see everything has 0. Total earnings 0, total referral 0, total position 0. We're going to scroll back up. Okay, now ladies and gentlemen, right here where it says member menu, we need to click on that. And then we need to go to pay. The first thing you have to do is go to payment info. Let's click that. Now we have to put in, update your personal information. We have to, OOR pays out, ladies and gentlemen, through USDT TRC20. So we're going to have to put in our receiving USDT TRC20 address. We have to put it in right here. So let's go ahead, and I have a Trust Wallet. Let's go to Trust Wallet real quick. Okay, I had to put in my password, so I'll be right back with you guys. Pause the video. So we are currently in Trust Wallet, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so let's say I already have the USDT TRC20. I have it right there, but let's say you're someone that does not have it. So I'm logged in Trust Wallet. I would go here. I would type in USDT TRC20. No, it doesn't come up when you do that, when you type it in all the way. But as you can see here, here it is. And to confirm it is, you would see, as you see right here, I'm taking my pen, it has USDT TRC20. That's how you know it is the TRC20. That's how it looks. Green and then the red. What's call it? Okay, then you're going to click here where it has receive. And you're going to copy the address. Receive, excuse me, you're going to copy the address here. Copy. We're going to go back to our OOR account. Let's go back to it, and we're going to paste it, you guys. You paste it here. Paste it, and then you're going to put in the password that you used to create your OOR account. Once you put in your password, you're going to click right here and update it so you're able to get paid. Now, once you have done that, you're going to go back up to the top where it has member menu. You're going to click on the 3 lines again. Next, what we're going to do is we are going to purchase our first position. purchase ATTM $10 position. We already have our 3 people lined up. Those 3 also have 3. So remember, make sure you have everybody lined up so this thing can move as fast as you want it or as slow as you want it. It's totally up to you. Okay, and now it has here, okay, I got to enter my payment information, so we're just going to put it in. Give me 1 second, you guys. Right. Okay, you guys, so as you see, we clicked here from our members menu. We clicked on purchase ATTM $10 position. You scroll down and it's going to say this, purchase ATTM position. Okay, level 1 position. Okay, when you click here on purchase, please do not move forward unless you are ready to send donations. So if you do not already have the money in crypto and Bitcoin or whatever, do not click this, you guys. Make sure you have it already. For the United States, the easiest method that I found, you guys, was using Cash App. I went ahead and bought $14 in Cash App, and then I went ahead and basically sent it to the receiving address. That's what I did. That was the easiest for me. I can't speak for anybody else. So I'm going to click right here where it has purchase. Click there. We're going to scroll down. Now these are the methods you can use. You can pay with USDT, TRC20 if you have that. You can pay using Litecoin. You can pay using Litecoin. You can pay using Bitcoin, BTC. That's what I use. You can pay with Tron. You can also pay with Binance Coin. Totally up to you. Now, I'm going to just click on BTC. Click whatever one you have. Click whatever one is, that you have. But I know if you are paying using USDT TRC20, you have to have some Tron to send this. If you're using Trust Wallet, that would also realize. So that's why I went directly with this, BTC, or you can use Tron. Totally up to you, though, what you decide to use. So I'm going to use BTC right here. So I'm going to click this. Okay, once I click it, waiting for it to load, we are going to scroll down. Just make the payment of 10 to complete your order. Now, you have to put in, ladies and gentlemen, this exact amount. You have to send this exact amount. So go right here, copy it. Oops, copy it. You see it has at the bottom of my screen right here. It has copied. Copy it. Copy the address also to send it to. Oops. Copy the address also to send it to. This address you have to send it to. Click the little thing right there as well. Copy it. Let's do it again. We copied it. See, it has copied. Make sure you send the exact amount, you guys. Whatever the amount is right here, send the exact amount. Don't send a cent less or a cent more. Send the exact amount. Now, once you do send your crypto, you are then done. They are then going to send you an email letting you know your account is approved. Now, do not give out any referral links or anything until you receive your email and it shows that your account is approved. Now, let's go in. I'm going to show you how to get your referral link. We're going to go back to member menu. We're going to click here where it has promotional center. Click it. Scroll down. This is your referral link, text link. That is your referral link, ladies and gentlemen, that you're going to send. Once your account is approved, this is what you send to the people, and you also send them this video on how to register. For those that wanted to see, wanted to see a little payment proof, I have payment proof for you as well. Sorry about that. On my Facebook. Let me go to my Facebook because I recently made a post. Okay, blah, blah, blah. Okay, you got people ask for info. Okay, let's check this out. Remember, OOR pays out, ladies and gentlemen, in USDT, TRC20, USDT. This is about $100 and some. Look, 17. Look the date, 9/14. This was yesterday, 2024. Look the dates, 9/14, 2024. Look the dates, 9/12. Okay, and so on. Okay. So just show you guys some payment proof for those that wanted payment proof. There you go. But ladies and gentlemen, that is how you sign up with OOR. These are the basic steps. If you have any questions, feel free to send me a text message at 251-273-1635. Thanks for watching this video. And if another thing I wanted to mention, if you guys want to find out who the co-founder, CEO, and so forth is, watch this video. It has right here, OOR, meet the founder, co-founder, and the admin team. They're real people. You can meet them, ladies and gentlemen. So thanks for watching this video, and until next time.